Out here at bike nights, Harley Davidson, Horny. They got them 2022s here.
You know who made it.
We out here at bike night, Horny, Harley Davidson.
You know who made it.
The light in that thing, boy. They asked for 2022s. I might walk back in there and look at them. They just got them in. My boy Mac bike there. And I got my main man Pride, whether I'm riding Chevys or I'm riding bikes. My dog Pride with me. You hear me? What you want? Nah.
We gotta walk on here.
10 toes down, baby. 10 toes down. Yeah, man, nice little turnout, Horny, Harley Davidson. Very, very nice. It's CU, I'm so. Oh, that's what it is? Oh, it's water?
That was beautiful.
Oh, yeah, that had he got the kid, got her too.
I'm trying to get it.
Oh, you trying to get some water, y'all? What about the other? You check both of them? Because usually one got water and the other one got bird. Yeah, these are the 22s. I just got them in. The black one. They sent a whole lot of black ones. Like, they all black. What's up with that? Road glide, road glide, road glide, road glide, road glide. We got the street glides back here. $117. Is that the ST? That one kind of popped because of red. See what we can see over here. It's a lot of bikes in here, so I'm trying to walk around. They everywhere. Everywhere. The red and black is kind of cold. That blue and black is kind of cold too.
You made it.
What is that? Got them big head bars on that bed. Big bars. It's limited. Street glide. Them bars is like super duper big. See some more of the color schemes. I'm telling you. Oh, this one, man?
Yeah, that's what he was telling me about.
Oh, yeah. Oh, 34.9. You said it was a CVO though, right?
Yeah. So they do.
So rich for my bad. That's like 10. Well, that's probably like $14,000 over what I paid for my bike, which is a whole nother bike.
You know who made it.
A whole nother bike. Here's some here. Y'all know I like the loud colors. I wonder if this one got air ride on it. Let's flip the switch. Got the screen going on. Very, very nice. I ain't better than mine though. Sometimes I feel like I gotta come back and look and see what they got in and be like, it's cool, but it ain't better than what I got. Killing the game, baby. Killing the game.